Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the parts and choosing a solid wall. This prevents wobble and sensor errors. Once done, locate a stud or use 1/2 plywood backing because electronic boards need stable mounting to keep darts from bouncing and sensors aligned. Measure carefully. Make the center of the bullseye 5 feet 8 inches from the floor. This standard height ensures scoring accuracy and fair play. Make sure to mark the bracket screw locations before drilling so everything lines up. You now mount the bracket and board, which is where precision matters for reliable scoring. First, fix the bracket level using a spirit level. Tighten screws snugly so the bracket won't shift under impact. Once done, lift the board straight onto the bracket and verify it sits flush with no gaps. Secure any tabs or safety screws. Then plug in the power adapter and route the cord out of the throwing lane to avoid trips. Test the LEDs and power indicators to confirm the unit is live. You finish by calibrating and configuring games so the board scores correctly. Use the on-screen calibration routine. Make soft, centered throws to let the board map segment responses and adjust sensitivity, because correct calibration eliminates most misreads. Next, set game rules, player profiles, and volume. Save presets to make future sessions instant. If you encounter scoring errors, recalibrate first, then tighten the mounting, check the power connection, and inspect sensors for damage. Those steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.